everyone, again welcome to the incredible learning experience Jnana Learning. So here I am introducing another video series through Jnana Learning, Gems of Maths. So this includes basic maths, formulas, maths tricks and tips, theorems and many more. So this will be helpful for students and those who are preparing for competitive exams. So today we are discussing HCF and LCM, highest common factor and least common multiple. So first HCF, which is the highest common factor of two or more numbers, is the greatest number which divides each of them exactly. So see, I'll give three numbers, 18, 24 and 36. HCF of these three numbers is 6, which means that 6 is the greatest number which divides each of these numbers exactly. Clear? 6, it is the greatest number which divides each of these numbers 18, 24 and 36 exactly. So that is the highest common factor. Now moving on to LCM. LCM, which is a least common multiple. So least common multiple of two or more number is a least number which is exactly divisible by each of the given numbers. So see three numbers, 2, 3 and 8. 2, 3 and 8. So the LCM of these three numbers is 24, which means that 24 is the least number which is exactly divisible by each of the given numbers. Clear? So 24, it is the least number which is exactly divisible by each of the numbers. 24 is divisible by 2, 3 and 8. So that's it. Now some of the important properties of HCF and LCM. See, the first property is that consider two numbers or integers a and b, then LCM of a comma b into HCF of a comma b will be equal to the product of that numbers. That is, we have two numbers a and b, then the product of that numbers will be equal to LCM of that particular numbers into HCF of that particular numbers. That is the first property. Now moving on to the second property, it is regarding the coprime numbers. That is HCF of two coprime numbers. HCF of two coprime numbers, it is 1. Therefore, LCM of the given coprime numbers will be equal to the product of the number. LCM of coprime numbers will be equal to the product of the number. LCM of coprime numbers. Coprime numbers will be equal to product of numbers. That is the second important property. Now moving on to the third property. The third property or the point to be considered is that if a HCF of two numbers is given, that is, if HCF of two numbers are given, then that particular numbers can be assumed as HCF into some A and HCF into some B. That is, suppose that we have two numbers x and y, then that particular numbers will be HCF into A and HCF into B. Like that we can find out the numbers. So these are the important things or points regarding the HCF and LCM.